Conrad ke sangma menteri rangbak sarkar jala hakalai trik ujalio arja arpwe ulai thu bakjingtuna vaccine kamdei tang hagajala meglaya Henry Hakari India hi brokway nakaliang ka sarkar kadan kajingkermen benadu benai naitung ter onsala banpenyo shushu khambon ke vaccine.
I mean, you also know it that there's a shortage for it. So the ramping up of all the production units is taking place. We are hopeful that we will be getting more vaccines in the coming days. So I hope that within this month of June we will see a bit of marginal increase, but we are confident that by July we should see the numbers go up much more, and coming August, September, October we're very confident that the supplies will go up, and we should be able to complete the process very soon. So it's a shortage, it's not just for Meghalaya, but it's for the entire country and in fact the entire world. So we are hoping that quickly the ramping up of the different factories and companies takes place, and we're hopeful that we'll be able to meet up the shortage that's there right now.